Hi guys, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I'd like to say welcome, and if you've watched one before, I'd like to say welcome back. So today, I thought I'd give you a quick update on this little tree here, and really just kind of talk about how fast these things grow and why this is a good tree for beginners. This is a portulacaria afra, or some people call them dwarf jades. Um, I did the I did a prune on this one about a month ago, almost right at a month ago, in one of my other videos, and I thought I'd just jump on here today to show you. So I'm going to prune it again, just to show you how fast they grow. I'll show you a clip of what it looked like a month ago, and after I pruned it, and you can see what it looks like today. We've got a lot of these. It's really out of shape from what it looked like a month ago. We've got some of these shoots here, some of these shoots over here, that have probably grown out 2 to 3 inches from when I pruned it before. And like I said, this is winter time where I'm at in Texas. And I say winter, you guys that live up north would laugh because our wintertime temperatures at the end of November are in the 50s and 60s during the day. So um, it's winter time for us anyway. But still too cold for these guys to be growing outside. I do have them inside under grow lights. So that's another reason why these are fun for beginners, because it's pretty much a year-round tree. Some of the outdoor varieties of bonsai, they go dormant in the wintertime and you don't really do a whole lot to them. But these, you can continue shaping, pruning, and working on them and enjoying them all through the winter with the right grow lights and heat. I like to keep mine between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit just to keep them growing, and nice bright LED grow lights. Um, so today we'll just do a light prune on this to get it back into shape. Um, like I said, it's another reason why they're fun. It's because you can work on them all year long. This prune today won't take very long at all. It's not that big of a tree, but I like to keep them somewhat trimmed, just so they don't get away from me. Keep them in shape. Like I've mentioned in some of my other videos, the more you prune them, the tighter the ramification is. Some of these back. Take off some of these lower downward facing leaves just to clean it up a little bit. It's kind of the shape that I want to keep it in. I think we'll just kind of leave it at that. As you can see, the shape I'm going for is just a nice curve where it kind of cascades a little bit. Off to the right, I'll have a dome up here, and then this. I'm not sure how far I'm going to let that go out yet, but I like the kind of the swoop that it's got in it. So we'll see where that goes in the future. But like I said, quick prune today just to get it back in shape, and really just to update you and let you know how fast these grow and why they are good for beginners. So let me give you a quick spin around here. There's the front. There's the left side, back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.